In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Webflow. Whether you're building a sleek new website or just tweaking your current project, adding buttons can be a crucial element for navigation, calls to action, and overall user interaction. With Webflow's user-friendly interface, this process can be straightforward and even enjoyable. So let's dive in and figure out how to do it. The first thing you need to do is locate the Add Elements icon in your Webflow workspace. For those of you who are new, this icon looks like a plus sign and is generally found on the left-hand side of your screen. By clicking it, you're opening up Webflow's Comprehensive Elements panel. This is where all the building blocks for your website reside, from simple text blocks to complex interactive features. Now that you have the Add Elements panel open, the next step is to find the button element. You'll usually see this either under the Basics section or the Elements section. Webflow conveniently categorizes elements to make your job easier. Once you spot the button element, it's time to use Webflow's signature drag and drop feature. Simply click on the button element and drag it to the place on your page where you want it to appear. This might be in a header, a footer, or anywhere that suits your layout intentions. Now that the button is on your page, it's important to ensure it functions correctly. After all, buttons are meant to be clicked. Head over to the Settings panel on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for configuring your button's functionality. Here you have several linking options that you can choose from. Want the button to direct users to a specific URL? You can enter that web address directly into the provided field. If you prefer to link to another page within your website, that's easily done by simply selecting it from a drop-down menu. You could also have the button lead to a specific section on the same page, which is particularly useful for creating a seamless scroll-to-section experience for your users. Additionally, your button can be linked to an email address or phone number, essentially turning it into a direct contact method. All you have to do is input the appropriate email or number into the fields provided. These features can be particularly handy for contact or support pages, where quick navigation is a must. And there you have it. With your newly added button correctly set up and linked, your website is now more dynamic and interactive with just a few steps in Webflow. As always, don't forget to preview your website to ensure everything works as expected. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.